Hello friends and followers. Well, here's the Geloso or Geloso G-309 that I've picked up from eBay. 15 meters on this thing isn't working. I'm wondering if this unit here, the VFO band switch thing, all the band switch stuff's inside this little box and it's loose. I noticed that 15 meters and this thing doesn't work at all. And this is interesting too, seeing that capacitor in there. I wonder if somebody changed that. It seems like it's a USA type capacitor, and Geloso usually made all their own stuff. Anyway, I put this video up just to show people how I've been trying Windex to clean this surface, and Windex doesn't work really well, but I've had good luck cleaning up the NC300 with that radio. I cleaned it up with WD-40 and it works really good. Let's go for an example here. So, well, there's something that looks rather awful. Let's try it out. Not sure what that is, but it doesn't look too good. Anyway, I don't want to rub this thing real hard because it might take the ink off it, but these parts here are pretty bad. So it really cleans it well. So that divot's not going to come off, but you can see that this really is a solvent for some of the crud and wax that collects on these things and can get it back to looking pretty tidy. So that's what we're doing here. But yeah, see, it'll make it pretty tidy. Of course, you don't want to get this stuff on anything with the front panel, but it's amazing how this stuff is meant to loosen up things that are rusted and won't turn. It's good for also for cleaning. Yeah, look at that. So it makes a big difference. So case in point, it's really nasty in that triangle. It's really nasty in here. So for that, yank out the 6AQ5 here. Is that a 6AQ5? What is this guy? 6AQ5, yep. Audio output tube. See that? Anyway, I'm just trying to sell you folks on the idea that the WD-40 works pretty well to get the stuff cleaned up. And that's how I cleaned up my, that's how I cleaned up that one. So I've always used Windex, and now I'm kind of using WD-40 to get these radios. I like them clean. So who doesn't want a clean radio, right? It makes it look cared for. So you don't want to get any WD-40 into the capacitors or anything, but maybe just be careful with it. Get the crud off. Anyway, that's my little adventure here. Just doing some cleaning, house cleaning on this radio. All right, well, enough of this. You get the idea. Make it a clean machine, right? How about this power transformer? What's cool is Geloso, they put everything into a little case. So they're kind of fastidious. They say, yeah, here's a power transformer, but we're going to put it into a pretty metal case. How do you like that? It's just a great touch. Oh, word of warning. I did try to put some detox it on one of these switches, I think for the phasing switch. Do not use detox it on the switches in this thing. It expands the phenolic and the switch will bind. So don't do it. Just do not put detox it on these radios. Not this one anyway. It really screws it up. All right, so I'm just gonna keep on cleaning up here for a while. Get the radio looking good. Probably taking off this cover, and I'm gonna try and clean up in here and figure out why 15 meters is dead. And then we'll keep on going. So yeah, it's a great little radio, eh? I love how they label it. I wish this guy didn't write all this crap back here. Didn't put it indelibly. Who knows? People do what they're gonna do. This is kind of shabby, isn't it? Yeah, all this writing on this radio. Yeah, clean it off. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.